All right, y'all, we got the Weds Cerberus 2 lips. Y'all see all the previous video, y'all know that we needed a couple lips. These look pretty good. They're nice and polished. I'm gonna undo the tape because they're combined. We got the 5-inch lip and the 3-inch lip. So hopefully they're all good and I don't have to send anything back, but let's undo the tape and separate them. Wheels and tires from FitmentIndustries.com. Wheels and tires from FitmentIndustries.com. All right, these are also polished lips. This is the rear, got that deep dish. The faces right now are painted white. They're not a great paint job, and I don't mind white faces, but I do want to polish the faces so they'll look like this, so it'll be a full polished wheel. I think it'll just look a lot better than the white. All right, y'all, we got another package. Had to vlog real quick because it just came on that. And it is this big. And some of y'all might know what it is. But we're about to go open it up. Out with the old and with the new. Look at this honker, man. This is a tall box. You could ship me in this. Like, I am the size of this box. We got this, which just got here. Got that package earlier, but I haven't opened it until this got here because that goes with this. So we're gonna open up both of those. We got even more stuff to unbox. Let's get it. Big reveal, version 1, OEM, V1 Nismo front bumper. Hands down, the best body kit for the Z. And now, you might be wondering, Kirk, you got the bumper. What is that? Why do you need that to go with that bumper? Something very important that a lot of people forget about. And it's really annoying that we need it. But if you want that bumper to last forever, you need that. So let's check it out. This is the OEM under shroud, under tray, splitter, whatever you want to call it, for this bumper. Comes with it from the factory, and it is not 100% necessary, but it is very necessary. Many people will do homemade splitters or whatever to keep this bumper up, but because my car is an original V1 Nismo, I wanted nothing but the best OEM to go on this car. This pretty much completes the bumper. I will also, things that are cheap that I'm gonna need is probably front fender liners, but those aren't expensive. The ones that were on there, like I said, it was an aftermarket front end, so the guy that had it before me took off like a lot of stuff from the car. So I kind of need a few more things, but nothing too crazy. That's gonna be it for the unboxing for right now. Those are the 3 new things that I've got. There, we just need to paint this thing and slap it on there. So I'm super excited. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm kind of like monotone right now, but I'm like super excited. We also got the lips for the wheels. All we need to do is polish the faces, slap some tires on. These are good to go. So hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I'm not sure where it's gonna go next, but that's what we got. We have some good news. The bumper is back from paint. Don't mind the mess in the background. I'm cleaning a bunch of stuff out. This is how she looks. Definitely black like my car. I'm also going to go see what it looks like in front of it because I still need fender liners. I ordered those. And then also I need like some bumper brackets like there and there. Oh yeah, dude, I cannot wait to have that thing on. But like I said, we need some hardware, we need the fender liners, and we also need a bracket that goes right here. And then we also got the hood painted, had tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of rock chips in it. And it looks super good. No complaints there, no more rock chips. And then we also, if you guys remember, we got the rear bumper painted also. It came off of a wrecked car. It was kind of messed up. It had some sun damage from just, you know, sitting on an old car. And then it was also off of 2014, so this bottom piece was gray, so we got that painted black and the rear bumper refreshed. So now, next step is pretty much just get it detailed. Gonna cut and buff it, and she will be a beauty again. My goal is to end this video with putting that bumper on. Hopefully, if everything comes in this week, I should be able to get it on. This video has taken it's been a good while because I got those wheels a while back, and I also ordered the bumper a while back, but I just haven't been able to get it painted yet. And then the next video hopefully will be me working on those wheels, disassembling them and sending the faces off to get polished and rebuilding them. So hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Stay tuned for the bumper, because that'll be in the next couple of days for me. For you guys, it's about to happen like this. And boom, we have almost everything. We've got under tray and we've got fender liners. Last thing I need is the 2 bumper brackets. I ordered those. I thought I wasn't gonna need them. Went to the Nissan earlier. They were gonna charge me like $50 more than Z1. It's okay, I'll wait a couple of days. But right now, we're gonna unbox these. Then I'm gonna try and put the under shield on this right here. And then possibly go and put the bumper on the car, just to see what it looks like, and then maybe secure it either tomorrow or Friday whenever the bumper brackets come out. All right. Fresh fender liner. Oh, they gave me hardware. Oh, sweet. And our Nismo. Oh no. This badge isn't chrome. So here's the under shroud. I was also told this will secure the bumper even more. The metal one from Z1. My car didn't come with the plastic one because the previous owner took it off. And here's the under shroud. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. And here are the side pieces. I'm glad they provided a lot of hardware, because I went to Harbor Freight earlier and grabbed more hardware because I wasn't sure how much I was gonna need. We got this, which is just nut and bolts. And then I also got plastic fasteners that are pretty much in every car that you can find. Everybody hates these, they always break. So I just went ahead and got a little kit for them. Pretty simple, going to come in handy. Guys, so I'm getting the Nissan emblem returned. Unfortunately, like I said, when I opened it, it's like a matte silver. On the website, it's definitely chrome, which it's okay. I didn't have, there wasn't an option to pick the color of it, but it's okay. It just kind of sucks, but I'm returning it, getting my money back. This is the one that I have on my car, and I know that it comes with a chrome badge, so it is what it is. It's getting returned, and I'm looking for one on eBay right now. That's probably the best place to go. That way, you know, because somebody takes a picture of the actual emblem, so I know that it's chrome. But yeah, besides that, we're gonna try and put the under tray or the under shroud on the front bumper and kind of just mock it up, because I want to see the bumper on the car really, really bad. Really bad. It's been so long since the car had a bumper on it. It needs it. All right, we've got the under shroud secured just right here, and then one on the other side. I might need to find some new hardware that's short enough to get a nut after this is connected. The shortest one I have is this thick boy right here, and it would probably work, but it's too wide. Got this completely tightened down. It is on there good. It is not going anywhere. I'm gonna go out there and kind of put it up on the car just to kind of see what else I need to get to make this thing secure, because I really don't know. So let's go take it outside. All right, y'all, I got the bumper on and it looks so good. It's not secure, but it's close enough. Oh, that looks so hot, dude. I absolutely love this. It looks amazing. Obviously we need the badge, but besides that, it's got 2 clips up top, and I kind of just like pushed in the headlight. I got that. The only problem I'm seeing is gonna be the infamous tab. But my friend, he has some way of doing it like really well. This side's about a finger gap, which is gonna rub, but this side is like, I can't even put my finger in between the tire. It's like really close for some reason. I don't really know why. My fenders are kind of messed up, as you can see, but I don't know, we'll figure something out. I'm sure I can like push it up and maybe bend it and flex it a little bit, but it looks awesome. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna pick up the vlog probably tomorrow once I have the bumper bracket, and once I have the bumper bracket, it should be ready to completely be on 100% secure, because I still got to put on the Z1 undershroud as well. So I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. It's getting kind of late today. Kind of just want to chill. I've been running around all day doing stuff, so I will see you guys momentarily. It's the next day. First thing we got to do is we got to find a drill bit. I believe it said 10 millimeter. I'll show you guys once we get out there, but we got to drill into the aluminum support on the 370Z on the little bash bar. All right, I'm about to head to Lowe's right now. There is not a 10 millimeter drill bit that I can find in my house. I have a 3/8, which is close, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'm gonna go get it. Not too big of a deal. Got our bit. Let me show you guys the holes that Z1 says to drill out. So you want to drill out this one, and that one down there. They should already come drilled on your car, but the point is to bore them out so that you can fit the rivet nut in there. I've never drilled into anything before, guys, so let's hope this goes well. Please wear safety goggles. I guess I could put some shades on. Actually, let me put some shades on. Always wear protection. It's a 25 by 64 drill bit. Couldn't find a 10 millimeter, so this is what they said. So let's do it. All right, guys, I'm more than willing to point out my mistakes. When I was sitting there drilling, I was pushing as hard as I possibly could and nothing was happening. Like, it was making like a circle, but it wasn't drilling out. Make sure it's going right instead of left. I didn't realize that would make a difference, but it does. It's my first time drilling, but I'm one to admit my mistakes, so. All right, they are all drilled out. 1, 2, and 3. All right, I'm gonna leave a little disclaimer for the video here. Use a rivet gun when you're doing this. Z1 provides a little tool that really does not work very well. My undershield eventually like kind of fell down a little bit, and I had to go to my friend's house with a real rivet gun and redo these rivets. So when you do this yourself, get a rivet gun, borrow one from a friend, whatever you need to do. You might could use the Z1 tool. Didn't work for me. Just letting you guys know. Y'all, looks like they're all in. I hope they're good. Obviously, like I said, I've never done this before, but they look fine. I don't know. I guess we'll just hope that they are good to go. Next up on the list, we are switching from the undershroud to this. We are putting these brackets on. These go right here on both sides of the bumper. Very cheap, but whoever had the car last took them off of mine. So I need them to put my new bumper on. Shouldn't be hard, probably just a nut and bolt is what it looks like, and should be good to go. Got these pieces in. My friend Cole told me that they just clip in. They're very loose. I think I'm gonna send a push clip, a very small push clip through that, just to maybe make it a little more secure, because it's kind of scary, but he said that's how they're supposed to be. And then I'm gonna do the fender liners. And then after the fender liners are on, we're gonna put the front bumper on, and then we'll finish off with that stuff, because all of that connects to the undershroud on the front bumper. So it's one big puzzle piece, but we're getting there. I just sent a couple screws through there. It's not perfect, but it's a little bit more secure than it was before. We got that fender liner in. Honestly, I don't see how this is OEM, because how in the world was that supposed to connect to the front bumper? I don't understand. Anyway, all right, we got this fender liner in. Same thing as the other side. One clip there, one clip there, one clip way up there up top. Trying not to let the sun. One up there, And then there's another right here on the fender, but I just tucked it up over the lip of the fender. And I think there's another one up there somewhere, but not necessary. Now I'm gonna put the front bumper on, kind of clip it in to all its spots, clip it in on the top, and then we'll finish the undershroud. We'll be ready to go. Our V1 Nismo front bumper is on. Like I said, we already secured the undershroud that is 100% necessary when you buy this bumper, unfortunately. People do splitters that also hold it up, but I didn't want a piece of metal sticking out 3 inches from my front bumper. So I bit the bullet, got the plastic undershroud, and the plastic undershroud connects to that undershroud, bunch of undershrouds, and then we'll be good to go. When you have the end plates, you want to stick, there's a bolt right here that you send through, and then you hook it right here on the end. It hooks in right here, and then you swing it up, and it's going to sit above this. And I'm about to put in all the holes that you see right here are going to take bolts through them. You do the end first, by the way. You hook it here, put that in, and then you put this in through the rib nuts that we made earlier. And then now I'm going to put everything, secure everything in all these different spots. She's basically complete. Not exactly. I'm kind of having to just make stuff up as I go along. A lot of they give me plenty of bolts, but there's no nuts to go with the bolts. So they tell me in the instruction manual to, secure the undershroud with the provided bolts in the holes, but there's nothing for the bolt to thread into. So I'm kind of just making it up as I go along, and kind of getting a little frustrated because none of the holes are lining up. Honestly, it kind of sucks. If I was you guys, I'd probably get the Z-Speed undershroud. I got the Z1 Motorsports. I'd get the Z-Speed next time. Kind of disappointed with my purchase because this has made me very frustrated. It shouldn't be this hard, but it has been. So, yeah. All right, y'all, I'm going to finish up the video here by putting the Nissan badges on the car. Bumper is good, everything works. Still gonna connect the, there are 2 tabs at the very end of the bumper. I'm gonna connect them. I'm probably gonna, I don't remember if I said this, but I'm gonna cut out some of the fender liner where it rubs, but leave the rest of it in, because I still wanna keep fender liners just for like protection of the engine. You don't need them, but I like to have them because I want it as OEM as possible. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do to the bumper, but it's on. I'm gonna put these Nissan badges and we'll close out the video. All right, it looks like I'm gonna have to order another badge after my second one because this one doesn't fit. And when I looked it up on eBay, I specifically put in 370Z and it said 370Z. And it also kind of looks like crap, to be honest with you. For some reason, like the paint and the letters sucks. So I'm still in the video here, but yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I love the car. It looks so much better now with that V1 Nismo front bumper on it. Honestly, if you guys ever do buy the undershield and y'all are on the fence whether you get the Z1 or the Z-Speed, I personally don't have any experience with the Z-Speed, but I know the Z1, I did not enjoy it. It came in 3 parts. Should have just came in 1. I'm pretty sure the Z-Speed comes in 1 piece. I'd probably go with that if I had to buy it again. It's also slightly cheaper, but yeah, other than that, car looks absolutely amazing. Hope you guys like it too. Hopefully the next video is a wheel video for the Wedge Cerberus 2s from the previous video before this one. We're going to be disassembling those and then sending the faces off to get polished. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. See you on the next one.